guy warmed up. Dude, it feels so good to be back on this little ripper. And she dies. Let's see. Gas is on. Let's go. It's all about that tube. I'm trying to see if that tube holds. I might have to clean the carb. It's looking beautiful. I didn't cut that off, so I'm gonna have to maintenance or clean the carbs probably. You think I'll get away that easy with no carb cleaning? I don't think so, bud. So basically, just take it for a little rip. Find out if the tube that I put air in, I changed the tube, see if it held, and see what I gotta do after a little ride. Hold on for your life, cause the power band's kicking in. She's been parked for almost 10 months or so. I always catch the peg. All right. Oh, my darling. Oh, my darling Clementine. That's the first little springtime ride. Still fun. Running perfect or not, it's always a blast. Okay, the tube is so far. Got a bent rim. Makes it a little sketchy. Huh. So, I am gonna have to do carb cleaning or whatever. Okay, always feels good to pull the bike out after it's been sitting all winter and you haven't ridden. I'm gonna have to do a carb clean on it. I assume that tube is holding so far. Cross my fingers on that. Here is the tube I used. So you can see I bought ProTrack's heavy duty motorcycle tube. I don't have much experience with, it's my first tube for the dirt bike, so I went with a 3 mil in the thickness. It was awful getting it in. This is an Amazon purchase. We all love Amazon. There's a couple places I want to take the YZ, some trails and some big land area. me and Tyler, maybe some other people. So just want to get it ready and make sure it's good for that. In the next few weeks here, I'm working on storage for the bikes. I'm gonna go get the TNT. I'm gonna bring that Honda 350 72 home and start that project. Anyway, if you clicked and you got to this point, thank you for watching. Wasn't really much of a video, just pulling it out, just zip around a bit, see if anything needed to be repaired or whatever as it sat the last 10 months. I will see you on the next one.
All right, that was the video. We'll see you guys. I'm going back to bed.